This video will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on the Subaru Outback. This will be done from inside of your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Let's get started on resetting our engine oil life monitor. We have the key in the on position and we're going to be dealing with the infotainment center. We're pressing the home button so we're on the home screen. Let's press the info button. Next, we're pressing the maintenance button. After you've done that, you can see all the different areas that you're going to want to look at and select as needed. We changed our engine oil and filter, so I'm checking the engine oil first. We're going to reset this. You can set it to whatever distance you'd like. We're going 6,000 miles. I use synthetic oil. Do you want to update this? Yes. Let's hit OK. You can tell it's reset. We did the oil filter as well. Same process, 6,000 miles. We like that. As you can tell, we've reset our monitors. Obviously, if you've done anything else, you can reset that as well. Okay, friend, we finished our job. The next thing we'll do is just press back onto the home screen here and take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.